Creating an estimate in BuildTools can be easy with the use of the estimate or proposal templates. So you don't have to necessarily click on Create Proposal, but instead hit the drop down and click on Load Template. If you have an existing template, or if you've sent prior proposals through other projects, you can select those here and copy that as a template. First off, I'll choose an existing template or project from this drop down. Let me go down and click on Proposal Template. That's my project. And then in the second drop down, I can select specific estimates or proposals to copy over. So I'll click on Proposal Template. We'll say Import Proposals. We'll say Yes. And now that proposal lives in this new project. I can also go into that proposal and make further adjustments as need be. Once in that proposal or estimate, I can always go in and change the title, change my description, and adjust my different cost items here at the bottom. Once ready, click on Preview and Send to be sent off to the homeowner or customer. If I have to go back and delete that template, I can always just go select it and click on Delete. Another option too is you can also grab an existing proposal or estimate, just like my kitchen remodel here. I go to the three dots and say Duplicate, and just create a duplicate of that same proposal and make further adjustments.